Archaic Lighting Company was founded in 2019, stands as a professional manufacturer integrating the product research and development, sales, and service of automotive lighting assemblies. Our affiliated factory is located in Guangzhou City, which offers convenient transportation options. With a youthful team and deep enthusiasm for automotive customization culture as our core competitive advantage, we are committed to stringent quality control and thoughtful customer service, ensuring total satisfaction at every stage. Our dedication is reflected in our certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality Management and 3C, as well as international approvals such as DOTE Mark, which validate our compliance with diverse market standards. Our brand philosophy, a car craft that you can install yourself, is far more than a slogan. It is a promise of user-friendly design, reliable quality, and an empowering customer experience. We focus on every detail, producing high-quality products that undergo strict pre-shipment testing. These include LED bead aging tests, high and low temperature cycle tests, and UV exposure assessments, guaranteeing durability and performance under various conditions. We export products to various countries and regions worldwide, including to the United States and European countries, and have established local warehouses in key markets to enable efficient drop shipping services. Moreover, we welcome OEM and ODM collaborations, providing global customers with comprehensive design, development, and manufacturing solutions from a single source. Whether you choose products from our existing catalog or seek to develop customization items, we warmly invite you to reach out. Archaic Lighting is ready to be your reliable and innovative partner in automotive lighting industry.